So this YouTube clip will be about a web service. The title is Optimize Your Workflow with Hackgrowth. 400 plus resources, checklists and templates for startup growth, and Scott will present this video. Before I let Scott take over, I would like for you to take a momentary pause and ask yourself the question, do I want to work 40,000 hours before I retire? Personally, my answer is no, and it has always been a no from the start. This has always been my motivation for attempting to make money online and start my own side hustle in order to eventually fire my boss and quit my job. Before I figured out how to make an online business work, I tried basic affiliate marketing using content that I found online, and I was all over the place. I focused more on selling low-ticket affiliate products and spent hundreds of dollars on ads trying to sell these products, but I made way less money than I hoped. The whole thing was sad, and I was almost ready to give up on everything. If you have been through the same thing, you should know that you are not alone. Many people have fallen for online gurus and fake promises of success overnight. How much have they taken from you? How many days, weeks, months, or even years have you put into low-priced affiliate products or low-profit businesses? So I was about to throw in the towel when I met a woman who was thriving in affiliate marketing, the same business that I had failed in. I contacted her and she helped me understand that selling low-priced products on ClickBank would only hold back my growth and success rather than advance it. So she was talking about high-ticket products or high-ticket items. And once I understood the importance of high-ticket items and saw the light, I knew I couldn't pass up this opportunity. She introduced me to a solution that has had a really positive effect on my life. And in the beginning, it wasn't about the money, but more about the personal development, so that I could endure, because I understood that this was gonna take a long time. Achieving success isn't easy, but following in the footsteps of successful people like I did with the woman who became a sponsor, you can grow in mindset, positivity, and eventually success. I made an investment in the system that I have no regrets about, because my passion for success, both my own and others' success, motivates me to share it with my audience. It's truly the best investment I have ever made. So make sure to stick around until the end of this video to learn more about how I make money with it and how you can get started. And as a bonus, I have something special for you, and I will share how to get it. Anyway, without further ado, Scott will take over and discuss this web service. First, he will talk about the benefits, and then he will read a couple of words from the author of this service. The title is Optimize Your Workflow with Hackgrowth. 400 plus resources, checklists, and templates for startup growth. Scott, it's your turn.
Thank you, Anders. 100 plus free locations to list your startup, 35 newsletter sponsorships, 40 plus communities for founders, 100 product hunt post templates, 50 templates for thank you notes, 25 for cold email and LinkedIn, 100 plus tools, and 70 plus growth manuals, checklists, and advice are just a few of the offerings. Greetings, YouTubers. I want to present you a new edition of Growth Hacking Kit because it has been almost 8 months after the previous launch. What's fresh? Sites for updating free startup posting. Removed unavailable ones and added new. A new set of links on guides. Removed old ones and added new. For founders, updated communities. Modernized tools. Removed outdated and added new. There are now additional maker communities. There are now 35 additional email newsletter sponsorships. Tools for ChatGPT have been added. There have been 50 new YouTube templates, replies of gratitude, uploaded. Addition to the project checklist. More venture databases. The website has been optimized for mobile devices. Many makers have observed exhibit excruciatingly uncomfortableness when marketing and expanding their goods. However, there are so many online tools, manuals, and marketing-related resources that I decided to compile the top growth hacks in one location. In thought. The Growth Hacking Kit will help you boost your signups, business, and profits. The most recent version has all the following updates. 100 plus free websites to promote your new business. 35 newsletter sponsorships. 40 plus founder communities. 100 templates for YouTube posts. 50 thank you response samples. 25 LinkedIn and cold email templates. 100 plus tools. More than 70 growth guides, checklists, and advice. Bonus. Databases and a checklist for fundraising. I hope you like it. Thanks. Alright, over to you, Anders.
Nice video clip, Scott. Thanks for sharing. Someone helped me understand why coaching people is actually the best way to develop a freedom-based lifestyle, which gave me new energy when I first started out in 2019 as a YouTube influencer. Because there is so much crap out there, and when you start to coach people so that things make sense to them, then this is when they realize how to implement the right strategy in their business. Back in 2019, I was recommended by that person to use the same solution as she, so I did, and the training I received completely blew me away. The earning potential with the high-ticket products and how things were set up was just mind-blowing. It all made sense. All I had to do was jump right in and not wait until I was satisfied, because I had to push out content right off the bat. That is the only way of doing this. And I understand that we don't feel ready. We feel that we must have a lot of experience before we teach someone. But just learning something fresh, knowing that there has to be other people out there that didn't know this, didn't have access to that information as well, or didn't know what it was. That is how I can coach people to the solution that is the heart of my business. I will put a link in the description if you want to look into it. And if you click on that link, you will also have access to my free bonus, which is a free video training where I have collected the best bits that I learned from this system. So remember this: invest in yourself and decide to do something that your future self will thank you for. If you want to have success, you can't stay passive. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload another video. Stay awesome, take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.